Speaking of results, be sure to also edit the results page. Just like in the Quiz Builder, you can add multiple sections to your results page. Click on a plus sign to select a block type. In content blocks, you can write insightful information about the product recommended. With an image block, you can add your brand's logo. In the Products block, you can select how many products will be recommended. You can use the Markdown language to make your quiz pop. Markdowns allow you to add boldness or emphasis to your text, but also insert links, images, and videos. For more information about the Markdown language, check our Frequently Asked Questions section. The results page settings allow you to further customize the quiz with a background image.